Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T and let me show you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer in order to go to your contact list. Now from the contacts, choose the one you want to edit and click on Edit Contact. Now let's tap on this camera icon right here, and now you can either take a photo and your device will open the camera app, or simply choose a photo from your gallery. So let me pick choose a photo from gallery. Let's choose the one you want to use, for example this one. Now we have to decide where we want to crop the photo. Let's choose, for example, Google Photos. And as you can see, now we can adjust the size of the square, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact. What's more, we can change the angle of the picture. It's up to you. And if you are ready with the results and if you're happy, click on Done. As you can see, it is in this camera icon here. Click on Save, and as you can see, it is immediately applied. Let's get back. It also appears on your contact list, and you will be able to see it while all incoming calls or text messages from that number. So that's all. This is how to add photo to a contact in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.